With this type of reverse lunge, this is going to be great for you to really emphasize the glutes. And if you have bad balance when you're doing lunges, this is also nice because as you can see, we're going to hold on to something. Go ahead and grab something sturdy, maybe a bench, but I prefer a squat rack because it's not going to fall when you pull against it. So you're going to take a little bit larger step back. Holding a dumbbell, of course, is optional, but to maximize your glute growth, you want to hold on to some weight. And then you're going to pull yourself up with a slight body lean forward. Normally, I'm always preaching you to keep your chest up, but this one, we're going to slide our chest forward just a little bit. And then you're going to pull yourself up, but really focusing, almost imagine stretching your glute muscle as you're stepping down, driving your heel into the ground as you're going down, and then using your arm to help you up. A lot of the glute activation and growth is going to be on the way down on this exercise. Really imagine stepping down and stretching your glute muscle as much as possible, driving your weight in through the heel on your forward leg. Whatever leg is forward, that's the leg that you should really be focusing on, and then pulling yourself up. But again, focusing on the way down, keeping your knee above your ankle or your shoelaces.